Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a video about the YouTube API in the app script. So here is the final product. So basically I need to grab the video ID from any YouTube video, and I'm going to put the channel and the video information like the title and description, and some information about this video, and also I will get a list of the comments for this video. Okay, let me try to find a video. I'll try this one. Grab the ID, the video ID, and put it here. Let's try to run this function. Okay. So here, this is the channel, and this is the title for this video. As you know, the sushi for cats, and some description, and the views and comments. And you can see the first 100 comments. So 100 is the limit of this API. So the maximum comments we can put from this API is 100. So I think that there's a code here. I will show you how to do this. Okay. Pause this video first. Create a new file. Let's rename this file YouTube video inform. Okay, so I have two sheets here. One is for the video, and one more for the comments. Okay. For the video, I will have an ID. I will name this range for the video ID. Okay, I think everything in the Google Sheet is ready. So let's go to the script editor. Okay, first thing first, I will do the UI element first. Worksheet open, so as UI, var UI, spreadsheet, get UI, and UI create menu. I'll give the menu name YouTube, and add an item. So this item will be get video inform. Okay, get video inform. Add UI. Save the YouTube video inform. Let's run this function first. Okay, click this menu button here, and now we are doing the get a video function. get a video inform function. It will be like this. So first we're going to the first step will be step first, I think, is to get the video information, and step 2 get the comments. Okay, about this video. Let's refer to this worksheet. SS will be spreadsheet app, get active sheet, and the ID will be SS get range video ID get a value. Okay, so the video ID is in this range B1 video ID. Okay, and here we are going to use an API. Okay, here is the content assist. So by default, I think there is no YouTube API here in this list. Okay, so to enable this YouTube API, you need to go to the Advanced Google Service and turn this on. YouTube Data API version 3, turn it on, and you also need to enable it on Google Cloud Platform. Boop, boop. Okay, so enable APIs. Let's search YouTube. Okay, this one, YouTube Data API. Enable. Okay, I think the API is enabled and the setup will be okay. Now we see we check the assistant, the content assistant. Let me see if we can get the YouTube. Okay, here we have the YouTube API now in our project. First thing, we're going to get the video information. So I'm going to var video will be this one. So will be YouTube YouTube is a YouTube list. No, video. Okay, videos dot list. So I'm going to use this one. If you need to learn more about this API, you can go to the resource page, because I'm learning these APIs, so I cannot remember everything. So I always check this document when I find something I cannot remember anymore. So here I have two arguments. One is a part, one is optional argument. And the part will be, I think, will be the snippet. And it's optional argument. It's an object. So there is ID, will be the ID. So this ID is this video ID. Okay, save it. And here, I think if you want to check the, okay, here I have a category for the YouTube API. The API we're using is here YouTube data. Okay. Okay, here is API reference for the YouTube data API. Here we are using the video, I think, yes, this one. So video list. We here have the very detailed document for this API. So I just use a very easy example in my project. So not all about this API, so you can read this document if you want to explore more about this API. So here I'm using try list. Okay, try it now. So here is JavaScript. Okay, the part. So for the first argument is the part. I only add a snippet. You also add more variables or parameters here, and have an ID. So it's part and ID. I'm going to use. Okay, so in my code, I have the part and I have the ID, and this function will get the video for me, and will be items, I think. Since I only have one ID, so as here you can see these items will be a video array. So one ID only returns one video. So I'm going to reference to the first item. Okay, this will be my video object. And in this video, let's do some log. Okay. So this video will get some information like the ID, like the status. Okay. I'm going to log this snippet to see what is there. Let's try to run this one. Hello. Snippet is not undefined. I did something wrong. Snippet. Sprint list. Oh, I think I didn't assign any video ID here, so try to find a video. Okay, try this one. put the ID here. Let's try it again. Meow, meow. Okay. Okay, you can hear in this video snippet all the information are in here. Okay, so I'm going to grab extract all the video information and put it here. So the variable for video inform, let's put it in an array so I can write this information to the Google Sheet very easily. So the ID will be is ID. Okay, no, this way. Let's do some variables. So I'm going to need the ID. I think it will be the title, description, maybe the channel title about this video, and the description, and the views and comments. Okay, you can get more in this project. I only got the 6th element. Okay, so channel title will be the video snippet channel title. Okay, not channel title or channel ID. It's okay. Channel title of this video will be video snippet text, I think. Title. Okay. And the description will be video snippet description. And for view count will be video statistics will be the view count, and the comments count will be video statistics comments. You also have the dislike count and favorite count and like count, and so you can do more in this project. Okay, so here we have the title, and I'm going to add all this information in the video information array. So I'll do this one. Concat, I think, is this video inform. Okay, first one is a channel. Channel will be the channel title, and next one is title will be title, and the next one description, and views. view count, comments will be comment count. Okay, let's save this video inform. Let's try this information to Google Sheet. Okay, so var sheet, get sheet by name. The name is the video. Worksheet, get range. Start from row 1, column 1. Number will be the rows will be the video inform length. Okay, and the column will be video inform the first element length. And set values. No, not set values. Set values. Set values. The values will be the video information. Okay, video inform. Let's try this. Okay. Something wrong. View count is undefined. Okay. Maybe we need to. Okay, maybe I need to assign this in the part. Let me try this one. Snap it. So since I didn't add the statistics, so maybe I cannot use this property. Let's save it and try it again. Okay, pretty good. And go to the channel, the ID, channel, title, description. Oh, this description is kind of just too long. And the views, the view count, and the comments count. Okay, I think the first step is done, and I'm going to move to the second part of this project. The first part is done. The second part, if you check the document here, if you need to retrieve its comments, you are going to need this comment threads. Also here, we have a list function. It will return list of comment threads that match the API request. To try it now. Try it now. Okay. Also here we have two parameters. This is the first one. If you need to snap it, if you need to see the replies, you also can apply the replies. And here, the video ID, which we are using. So it's a video ID. It's not an ID anymore. And I wanted to show you here they have the max result. So by default, they will return 20 comments. So I was going to make 100 because I want to do the max result. Okay, let's do this. So for now, comments. The comments will be in YouTube. Okay, YouTube comments thread and the list. Okay, I think I'm going to need 2 arguments. First one. Okay. Let's do the part. The part will be okay. The part will be part. I think I only need this one. You can see it's very similar. The part and the optional argument will be the first one. You remember the video ID? Video ID, okay. Video ID. Video ID will be ID, okay. And we have another optional argument. It's maximum result, okay. Let's set it as 100. Save. So we need to do items. And I'm going to do a loop to iterate each of the comments and put it in this sheet, the comment sheet. Here, I think I'm going to do as the name of the user, and we are going to do their channel, and then I'm going to do the comments, and I think it's also for their how many likes of their comments. Let's try. So var comments info will be an array. The header will be, you see here, user, user channel, and comments and likes. This is a 2D array, so save. So for each comment in comments, okay. Get some line. For comment, so the comment will be comments I, right? first get the user. For the user will be comment dot comment dot snippet dot and we have the name here. Also channel ID. This is the name. Oh, okay, this is kind of very let's call this a CS. So C for the comments, S for the snippet. We'll do comment dot snippet to top level comment dot snippet. So user will be CS dot, so display name, and the channel will be CS dot channel ID, and the channel URL will be channel URL. I want to comment. The comment will be text, I think. And for likes will be comment like icon. Okay. So I'm going to push everything to this array. You will. First one is the user, then channel, then comment, then likes. And we write this comment information to the Google Sheet. Let's do this. So the worksheet will be SS get sheet by name. The name is what? Comments, okay. Get range. Gonna put it in row 1, column 1. Rows will be comments info dot length, and the columns will be comments info, the first one, dot length. Set the values. Values will be comments info. Okay. And activate this Google Sheet. And then last, I'm going to do a message for the end users. Video info is ready for you. Okay, let's try this. Run it in the editor. New comments info is not defined. Okay. Not defined. Something wrong. Okay, let's do a log here. to see what in this comments info. This is a log. That's weird. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Channel, comments, likes. Okay, here I got the variable wrong name. Phew. Pew pew. Okay, so here I think I got a wrong one. So here is it looks like the channel ID. So we got the user, and we got the ID, and we got the comments, got the likes. So totally 100. I'm going to fix this one. I think I'm gonna do something else. Okay, here we have a user image. Okay, this is the profile image, and I'm going to use this image here for the user. So we're going to use I think it's an image. Yes, we're going to use this image formula. So I'm going to replace the user with the image. So the user will be let's do, so here is the image. User will be image. Okay, and image URL and double quote, close bracket, single quote. So this will be the user. We will write the user. I'm gonna delete this one. And the channel URL, the channel, I will think the channel will be like this. Also channel, the display name, and the channel, we're going to add the link to this channel. Okay, so here we'll have the hyperlink formula in the Google Sheet. The link will be the channel URL. And the description will be the channel name. Close bracket. Let's save. So user will be replaced with this image. Okay, the channel at a link, at a super link. Let's run this. Okay, it's done. Pew pew. Oh, here we have a very pretty format. So the user image, and we also have the link to the channel of the user. And the comments, and the comments likes. I think this is pretty pretty useful for the YouTuber. I think a lot of people that are doing their YouTube, and so if they want to check some information about their video, they can do a very good analyze for their videos. Okay, so I think there is a lot of information in this YouTube data API. I only figure out very few of them. So I'm going to the video information and some comments. Here you can see we also have another comments API. You even can get the replies. So basically, I only get the level 1. Okay, the comment thread is only in this level. So if anyone replies to your comments, if you want to access all these replies, you are going to need to use another API like this one, I think. So if you are interested in this project, you can leave your comments in my video, and you also can study this document and use your imagination, as you can do very good project in this Google Sheet. Okay, thank you, and that's it for today's video. See you next time. Bye bye.